MobileTechTalk's coverage of IFA 2018 is made possible by Huawei. For more information of the products Huawei announced at IFA 2018, check the link in the video description.
Hey guys, it's Don from MobileTechTalk. We are out here in Berlin for IFA, and Huawei have just announced the Huawei Mate 20 Lite. We're pretty damn impressed. This thing, for £379, you are getting a stellar phone for the price. You've got a 6.3-inch IPS display, 19.5:9. It's 2340 by 1080. It is gorgeous. It's got a little bit more of a chin than I'd like, and the notch is extra wide. There is a reason for that though. There's actually two cameras on the front. There's a 24 megapixel RGB camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. So this should make all the fake bokeh for photos, it should make it look a lot better. It also does 3D Qmoji, which, let's call a spade a spade. It is an Animoji clone. Nothing wrong with that. These look amazing. There is pandas, there is dogs, there's a wolf, there's a fish, there is a chameleon, I think. Is there a chameleon, Craig?
There's a chameleon.
There's a chameleon. So I'm genuinely quite excited to try out 3D Qmoji, even if I'll very rarely use it. So one of the cool things about the Mate 20 Lite is the processor inside. This is one of the first phones coming to Europe and the rest of the world with the brand new Kirin 710. Now this has four Cortex A53 cores at 1.7 gigahertz and four Cortex A73 cores at 2.2 gigahertz. It's built on TSMC's 12 nanometer process, yada yada yada. This is going to be a power efficient chip, but also incredibly powerful. And I'm so excited to try this out, because this, but a few years ago, would have been so high end. It would have been in nothing short of £700, £800, £900 phones, and the fact we're getting this for $379 is absolutely nuts. So one of the things that Huawei is really bigging up is the fact that there's 4 AI cameras. So I told you at the front there's a 24 megapixel and a 2. On the back we have a 20 megapixel and a 2. Now again, we can't really talk about the cameras because we've had really brief hands-on. We've had this for 10-15 minutes, maybe not much more than that. So the camera will have to take a bit of a back seat until we get a review unit in, but from what we've seen so far, it's fast for focus, it's fast for capturing. The AI recognition to help you compose a shot is doing really well. This is bringing so many high-end features down to the upper mid-range that I would be happy to use this phone myself. Now, it's got 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. It also has a micro SD card slot for expansion up to 256 gigabytes. There's not much more we know about it at this point. This has been a really quick hands-on here in Berlin. I'm gonna go have a bit more of a play with this before it starts to rain anymore and before I have to go back to the hotel. Anyway guys, thank you. I want to say thank you to Huawei for actually bringing us out here to IFA this year. Without Huawei, none of our coverage would have been possible. So thank you Huawei, and thanks for showing us the Mate 20 Lite. Perfect timing. Perfect timing.
We'll put that in the video.
Yeah, it's almost like they know we're trying to shoot a video.